How to change email on WillTrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to change your email address associated with your WillTrade account, then here's how you do it. First things first, open the WillTrade application or website and log into your account. Once you're signed into the homepage of WillTrade, go ahead and click on My Account at the bottom right corner. From the My Accounts page, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Account and Security. Under Account and Security, tap on Email. Now, to change your current email, click the Change button at the bottom and you'll need to click on the Get OTP button to verify your current email. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you via email. Just go ahead and enter the code that you received exactly as it is and click Submit. On the next page, enter the new email you want to change to. Now, click on Get OTP on the next field. You'll then receive an OTP sent to you on your new email. Write it down in the text box provided. Now click on Confirm. You have successfully changed your email address in WillTrade account. Your email has now been successfully changed. Make sure your new email is active and secure because it will be used for login, alerts, and account recovery. So next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the newly updated email and password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.